Plot a circle with pyplot. Surprisingly, I didn't find a straightforward description on how to draw a circle with matplotlib.pyplot. Please no pylab, taking as input center, x, y, and radius r. I tried some variants of this, but still didn't get it working.
You need to add it to an axis. A circle is a subclass of an patch, and an axis has an add_patch method. You can also use add_artist, but it's not recommended. Here's an example of doing this. This results in the following figure. The first circle is at the origin, but by default clip_on is true, so the circle is clipped whenever it extends beyond the axis. The third, green, circle shows what happens when you don't clip the artist. It extends beyond the axis, but not beyond the figure, e.a. the figure size is not automatically adjusted to plot all of your artists. The units for x, y and radius correspond to data units by default. In this case, I didn't plot anything on my axes. Fig.gca returns the current axes, and since the limits have never been set, they default to an x and y range from 0 to 1. Here's a continuation of the example, showing how units matter. Which results in You can see how I set the fill of the second circle to false, which is useful for encircling key results, like my yellow data point.
A quick condensed version of the accepted answer, to quickly plug a circle into an existing plot. Refer to the accepted answer and other answers to understand the details. By the way, GCA means get current axis.
If you want to plot a set of circles, you might want to see this post or this gist a bit newer. The post offered a function named circles. The function circles works like scatter, but the sizes of plotted circles are in data unit. Here's an example.
Or, if you prefer, look at the paths, this URL.
If you want to see more,